No more cannonballs. No more underwater tea parties. No more chicken fights. No more water polo marathons. At least, not until next summer. It's that time of year again. That's right, it's time to close your pool for the winter. Whether you completely cover your pool or just reduce maintenance, proper winterization can save the cost of extra maintenance during spring opening by preventing possible problems up front. There are many BioGuard winter products that help you prepare your pool for the off-season. Winterizing your pool now is crucial for an easier pool opening in the spring. First of all, proper winterizing will keep your pool water looking its best all winter long by inhibiting the growth of bacteria and algae, and provide sparkling clear water when the pool is opened in the spring. Another key benefit is the protection of pool surfaces and equipment from freeze damage and the effects of water that is out of balance. Be careful not to close your pool too soon. Wait until the water temperature drops below 65 degrees. When you're ready to close your pool, take a water sample to your local BioGuard expert so they can complete a water analysis. Balance the pool water according to your BioGuard expert's instructions. It's important to completely balance your pool water and take care of all problems before closing, or the problems that you cover up will be right back in the spring. Next, you'll want to brush and vacuum the pool. Keeping debris out of your pool is an important part of this process. Once the pool is free of debris, clean the water line and inside the skimmer with off the wall. This powerful cleaner removes the ring of oil and dirt that could potentially become a breeding ground for bacteria if not treated. Chemically clean your filter using Strip Quick to remove greasy oils from your filter media. In hard water areas, Clean It can be used to remove scale, rust, dirt, and debris. Cleaning the filter now will extend the life of the filter and promote greater filtration efficiency when you start up again in the spring. Choose the appropriate Arctic Blue Winter Kit to close your pool. The kits are available in two different sizes based on pool water volume, 24,000 and 12,000 gallons. They contain Arctic Blue Shock, Arctic Blue Algae Protector, and a winterization guide. First, add Arctic Blue Shock to the water. Arctic Blue Shock oxidizes and clarifies throughout the off-season. Next, apply the Arctic Blue Algae Protector to prevent the growth of all types of algae. You can use both in chlorinated and brominated swimming pools of all surface and filter types. Run the pump for 24 to 48 hours continuously to allow each product to work effectively. Once you have run the pump continuously, winterize any additional equipment according to manufacturer's directions. Finally, follow recommended water draining and covering procedures appropriate to weather conditions in your area. Consult your BioGuard dealer for assistance. Doing a little maintenance on your pool in the fall will mean less work and reduced maintenance costs in the spring. Will you be ready for opening day?